Take a ride in the 2017 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, power windows, fog lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.